Alright, so this is the finished product of a welding table that I built here for the shop. So on the side we got a stud that you can ground to, a holder for the grinder, sander, etc. The disc, cutting to grinding to sanding. Underneath you can store the gloves, the helmets, face shields, etc. The top is bare metal, the rest of it is painted. And on the side here, I built these 90-degree jigs. So if you need to use it, clamp it down, do what you gotta do, and then when you're done, just put it right back there, nice and easy. If we get clamps and stuff later on, I'm gonna put maybe another bar across the bottom there, or down here across the bottom. And then that bar will hold C-clamps and stuff like that. The feet are adjustable right now. The legs are 30 inches and the feet are about 3 or so, and I can think they go up to 4 inches. So the total height right now is 36. It's 36 from the ground, and then you can adjust them to make sure the table's not wobbly. So right now it's solid, it's not moving. But you can adjust it. You can lower it a little bit more to make it even with that blade, or you can raise it if you need to. So I think the total height is 36 total. So far so good. I think it came out pretty decent. All this was just material we had here at the shop, and I just reused what we already had. So that all this material pretty much came from other projects, and we had a lot left over, so I wound up building this with it, and I have enough to build another one to put over in the EMS side. But for right now, I think this will work here for what we're trying to do. When we need to fabricate something, makes it a lot easier. Before we would try to weld on this table, and as you can see, there's nowhere to clamp unless you're clamping on the edge. So now if you have something bigger and you need to clamp different areas, you can clamp it anywhere on this table you want to. And it'll make it a lot easier to weld. And if you do plasma cutting too, because we have a plasma cutter over there. So if you're doing some plasma cutting, you can actually put your piece here and then you can cut straight down the middle, or clamp it here and then cut straight down the side. It's really up to you. But it's just one of the other cool projects I got to do while I was here. So probably could do some more paint and touch up some light spots, but I mean, for the most part, it's just something for us to do here.